Alright everyone, today I want to show you something is crazy about this app. It's totally free. Any AI tool you can use, any you need. Like every AI Pro version here is free. Like a ChatGPT, Google or DeepSeek, Llama, Cloud, XAI, like a Grok and Perplexity. And also you can see that my browser is changed because I'm using Comet. It's like a Perplexity browser that I show. I can search anything like a summarize or anything here, and this this summarize this everything in this here, and it's like AI type of. So here you can see this is the searching bar. You can search anything like a Google search, like this search who is, let's see what the answer here is. This you give my social media link, my personal website, my Kaggle account, my LinkedIn account, also my picture. Allusion is about me, about my background, about my professional work, project GitHub. This about everything is me. It's like an easy way search. Also image. Okay, and now I want to show important this. I want to show you this about this website that is totally free. You can use any model. Here I say the battle model. You can search anything, and like web search I just search. Here was okay this one. I use this. I want to show you like a battle model. We can go search, and here the two model. Try to search and find out which model give us better prediction. Okay, it take time, sometimes takes some time. So we open another way. Don't worry, maybe server is slow. Okay, whatever. We can see another is like a side by side. We can compare to model side by side, like using any model. You have this totally free. Every model is free, so I can use any model. And here the Gemini Pro, and here is this. Or also we can direct chat, like we want to use one model and want to chat, like want to chat DeepSeek and searching model. Okay, cancel the searching model, go to okay Gemini Pro. Let's see. Here the model. Okay, this is the output. Take times it also searching. This is also run. Okay, this one is good, and both result is yeah good, but this is the proper result. Like here my portfolio website, like this one, this, and my Kaggle, here my everything. Okay, this is structure right, and okay, this is also good. Like both is good. I don't see anything. Like is also okay, and here this is generate. So I think you love this video and come and check this AI tool. I also share this link in description. So bye.